So in the second model of EDTA problems, which is a little logical that we have to think. So problem may be given as such. 0.72 grams of zinc sulfate heptahydrate is accurately weighed and prepared a solution in a 250 ml volumetric flask. I repeat, 0.72 grams of zinc sulfate heptahydrate is accurately weighed and prepared a solution in 250 ml volumetric flask. 10 ml of this solution is titrated against EDTA solution and the concurrent reading is found to be 10 ml. Full stop. Okay. From then the problem will continue as module 3 slide number 6. Okay, we'll see. So what was it? It is given weight of zinc sulfate. How much? 0.72 grams. Then what is the volume of the solution that is prepared? 250 ml. What we have to calculate? Molarity. Whose molarity? Molarity of zinc sulfate. What is the formula? 0.72 by 287.54 into 1000 by 250. We all know that the formula for molarity is weight of the substance by GMW into 1000 divided by volume. What is the weight? 0.72 grams. What is the GMW of zinc sulfate heptahydrate? 287.54. What is the volume? 250. So here molarity you will be getting as 0.01 molar. Whose molarity? Zinc sulfate molarity. Now it was given, you have taken two solutions. One is zinc sulfate, the other is EDTA. When you get such, we have M1, V1, N1 and here M2, V2, N2. M1 from step 1 we got as 0.01 molar. From the problem 10 ml number of moles N1 is equal to 1. Molarity of EDTA, that we have to find out. Volume of EDTA, from the problem it is 10. Number of moles which is equal to 1. We have a formula V1 M1 by N1 is equal to V2 M2 by N2. And from this formula the molarity of EDTA can be found as 0.01 molar. I repeat, this is the second model of EDTA problems in which you will not be given the molarity of EDTA solution directly. You will not be given the molarity of EDTA solution directly. It was asked as such. 0.72 grams of zinc sulfate heptahydrate is accurately weighed and prepared a solution in 250 ml. That is what given. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to calculate the molarity as I did here. 0.72, that is weight by GMW into 1000 by volume. 0.72 divided by 287.54 into 1000 by 250, you get some answer. In the problem, the second line is 10 ml of such zinc sulfate is titrated against EDTA solution and the bullet reading is found to be 10 ml. Full stop. So directly the molarity is not given. You have to find the molarity of EDTA by using the data given as I did it. So you got the molarity of zinc sulfate here and then you write as zinc sulfate and EDTA as I am showing on the board. So M1 V1 N1, M2 V2 N2, and from the formula you will calculate. Now you got the molarity of EDTA. After finding out the molarity of EDTA, you proceed as I have shown in the previous video to calculate total hardness, permanent hardness and temporary hardness. So this is the second model of EDTA problems. Thank you.